I'm Brother Jonathan Hamero from, of course, from Philippines. So I arrived here in Sierra Leone, 2008. And then my first assignment, I was in Camabay for 1 year. And then after that, I was transferred here in Camalo. And then for almost 8 years as Augustinian Recollect. And then, of course, my work here, I am the in charge for the house, for the in charge, of course. First of all, I'm the in charge for the food, for the health of our brothers, my brothers, and then for the in charge for our volunteers here in the mission. After that, I was transferred in Camabay again for almost like 5 years. And then go back again here in Camalo. I was the in charge of the training center there in Camabay, and then because of the COVID, so we closed the training center. And then my first when I arrived here in Camalo, I'm also actually the same as the schedule of the fathers to go to the villages and then to have this paraliturgy. I'm not a priest, but I need to have this paraliturgy because we are only 3. So we have a lot of outstation, more than 40 outstations. So I need to help for this evangelization like that. And the challenge here is to be with the people. Of course, to work with the people, and very important is you need to enjoy with them. Of course, it's not easy to do it, but of course, this is a challenge for us. Every day, you need to move slowly. Like the words here in Creole, small, little by little, every day. You can do it. We can do it. Of course, our life here is actually we need to be a model for them. So every day we can make a difference for them.